Have you ever considered if space has weather? Most people think of rain, snow, or sunshine when they hear the word weather. But what about space? Is it a calm and empty void, or is something more dynamic happening out there? The answer might surprise you. Space is not an empty and static place, it's teeming with energy and activity. And yes, space has weather, but it's not the kind of weather we experience on Earth. Space weather is different. It's driven by the sun and the celestial objects that inhabit the vast cosmic expanse. Let's take a journey to understand this fascinating phenomenon. We'll explore the different types of space weather and their impact on Earth and beyond. So what exactly is space weather? Simply put, it's the changing environmental conditions in space. It involves the various energetic particles and magnetic fields that course through the cosmos. Space weather is primarily driven by the sun, our very own star. The sun constantly releases energy and particles into space. These emissions create a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Imagine a cosmic dance with the sun as the conductor. Its every move influences the entire solar system. This dance, however, is not always graceful. Sometimes the sun throws a tantrum in the form of intense bursts of energy and particles. These outbursts are what we call space weather events, and they can have significant effects on our technology and even our planet itself. One of the most dramatic forms of space weather is the solar flare. Imagine a sudden, intense burst of energy from the sun's surface. That's a solar flare. They release enormous amounts of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs exploding simultaneously. These flares emit radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum, including X-rays and gamma rays. These harmful rays can penetrate spacecraft and pose a risk to astronauts. But solar flares don't just affect space. When these intense bursts of energy reach Earth, they can disrupt radio communications, GPS signals, and even power grids. In our increasingly technology-dependent world, solar flares pose a real threat. Understanding and predicting these solar tantrums is crucial for protecting our astronauts and our planet's technological infrastructure. Section 4. Cosmic rays, galactic travelers. Another fascinating aspect of space weather is cosmic rays. These are high-energy particles that zip through space at nearly the speed of light. Unlike solar flares, which originate from the sun, cosmic rays come from distant galaxies and exploding stars. These particles are like tiny messengers from the far reaches of the cosmos, carrying information about the universe's most energetic events. While Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field protect us from most cosmic rays, some still reach the surface. Scientists believe these rays might play a role in cloud formation and even influence Earth's climate. Studying cosmic rays helps us unravel the mysteries of the universe and understand the potential impact these galactic travelers have on our planet. Section 5. The solar wind's unseen force. While solar flares and cosmic rays are dramatic events, there's a constant, less noticeable form of space weather, the solar wind. This continuous stream of charged particles flows from the sun in all directions. Imagine a gentle breeze, but instead of air, it's made of protons, electrons, and other charged particles. This solar breeze constantly interacts with the magnetic fields of planets, including our own. When the solar wind reaches Earth, it interacts with our planet's magnetic field, creating beautiful auroras. These dazzling displays of light are a visible reminder of the constant interaction between Earth and space. However, the solar wind can also disrupt satellites, interfere with radio communications, and even pose risks to astronauts. Section 6. Explore more cosmic wonders. Space weather is a fascinating and important field of study. It reminds us that space is not an empty void, but a dynamic environment that constantly interacts with our planet. From the awe-inspiring auroras to the potential disruptions to our technology, space weather influences our lives in countless ways. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the wonders of the universe. Together, let's continue to unravel the mysteries of space and delve deeper into the fascinating realm of space weather.